Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic that what is project integration. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management. So first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So friend, let's start. What is project integration? Friend, we all knows that every project has different aspects or multiple aspects like scope, time, cost, risk, issues, communication, procurement. So every project has different aspects, and as a project manager you have to deal with many or several aspects of a project. So basically when we talk about integration, we are basically talking about that how project manager integrate or tackle all those aspects of project management, because see, all those factors are dependent and integrated with each other. Like cost is dependent on time. If time increase, like project delivery time increase, so obviously cost will also be increased. If there is any risk occur and as an issue, so obviously the project will also suffer. So all those factor integration among all those factor is basically the concept of project integration. There are 7 steps of project integration which we have to discuss. First of all, as per the PMBOK, the first step is develop project charter. In this step, the project is kick off and the goals, objectives has been identified, and we all knows we have to identify that what we are going to achieve, what are the objectives of the project, and all the stakeholders should be on the same page when we are initiating the project. Then the other step is the preliminary scope statement. That means in that phase, in this step, basically project manager will define the preliminary scope statement, which will identify what is part of the project so that managers can determine the right resources to complete the project on time, and what are the things which are out of scope as well. Then the next step is develop project management plan process. In this step, all the planning would be done, like all the planning related to scope, time, cost, communication, risk, issues, procurement. So all the planning, like how will you deliver the things, how will you develop the project. So all the planning or will be developed, will be integrated in this step. The next step of project integration is direct and manage project workplace. That means once the all the planning has been done related to project, we start in actual the execution of project will start. So actually the project started, or actually the execution of project will be started, and the day-to-day process execution will start in this phase. Then the next step is monitoring and controlling of a project. That means the we have to monitor, we have to control. Like for example, if you have decided the project will be completed in 5 months, so you have to have check balance on somewhere on a project, that either whether we are going on track or not. If we are not on track, we have to take the action with respect. For example, you notice that if we go with that pace, you will be over budgeted, or you will be delayed. So that means you must have to take the action accordingly. So that is the concept of direct monitoring and controlling. Then perform integrated change control. If any change is coming in the scope, like as per the assigned scope of work, if any change, if any new requirement is coming in the project, so you have to identify that change, and you have to identify the impact of that change in terms of time and cost. And after the approval of that change, you have to accept that change and make a part of the change request, or make a part of the scope as well. And you have to revise the baselines of project as well. The next last step is close project or phase. That means in that phase we are closing the project. Closing means that you are releasing the resources, you are documenting the lesson learned, that what things goes well, what thing goes bad, and how you can do the improvement, and what are the things which can be helpful for other managers or future projects as well. And you release the resources from the project, and close all the contracts, and close all the things related to project. So that is the concept with respect to project integration in the close project phase. So friend, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.